Okay, there are three planes to understand visualization because most people don't know that visualization is a skill you can build like a system. Because this is the first plane, reality, perception of reality, and interpretation of reality. Because most people are stuck here because they think reality itself is just what they see, what they can see, como la construcción de la realidad, la percepción de la realidad, the perception of reality. They think that perception of reality is reality itself. But the real problem with most people think this plane is a cognitive process, a logical thinking. This is about what you can perceive through your eyes. Perception, it's about perception, a cognitive process. But the real power of visualization, and few people understand this, the real power is emotional thinking. How you can feel, how you can think about what you can see in the observer plane, in the perception of reality. Okay, because most people think visualization is magical thinking, and if you can go more deep, emotional thinking, it's about associative thinking. But how you can make the bridge with your thoughts and your emotions, how you can make the associations to understand interpretation through your perception. Because in simple terms, emotional thinking is associative, creating media networks of feelings and memory. It is the power of the potential mind, visualizing a projection of reality. Logical thinking is analytical and rational, processing and extracting that information to transform the vision into a concrete architecture, both uncovering vision into reality. Because if you can be aligned with your emotions and how you can make a interpretation through your emotional thinking, through your associations, you can shift your interpretation of reality. It's not about what you see, it's about how you can think about what you can see. Visualization, it's a pure creation, but pure creation through your logical thinking and how you can make the bridge with your emotions. But if you can make associations inside your mind, and then you can build what you think in a motion, you can create reality itself. Because most people don't understand that the power of emotional thinking, associations, how you can make the associations inside your brain, inside your mind, how you can make the connections with your fields, how you can connect the dots inside your brain. Visualization is not just for the new age of manifestors and gurus. It is also about engineering the mental models that unlock the mind's fullest potential. So, if you can understand this kind of graphing, this kind of feedback loop, we can build a mental model of all of this. Every perception of reality is just an interpretation of reality. But every interpretation of reality can shift my perception of reality. But you are in the middle, you are in the center of this kind of planes. So then you can build your reality through these planes. Okay? Perception of reality is just an interpretation of reality. But you are in the center. We are here in the center of these planes. So then you can visualize your reality. And this is the power of visualization through your mind. Because all the things, all the information inside your mind with your emotional thinking can make the bridge with your reality through your motion. Doesn't matter the process, doesn't matter, you can think about how you can make these things. The only matters is how you can make the associations inside your brain, inside your mind, through your goals, through your desires, through your dreams, through your emotional thinking. Okay? Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next video. Nos vemos pronto. Muchas gracias. Mi casa es tu casa. Nos vemos. Adiós. Chao, chao. Adiós.